Are you curious about the vast and diverse world of culinary oils, each with its unique flavors, uses, and potential health benefits? Exploring the world of healthy oils is your passport to unraveling the secrets of these liquid gold elixirs, offering a journey into the culinary and nutritional wonders of oils. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of oils, unveiling their versatility, flavors, and the role they play in supporting your well-being. 1. The liquid gold mystery. In the opening paragraph, introduce the mystery of culinary oils, often underestimated in their significance. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the diverse and beneficial world of healthy oils. 2. Understanding healthy oils. Begin by defining what healthy oils are and why they matter. Describe how these oils are extracted from various sources, including fruits, seeds, and nuts, and used in cooking, flavoring, and even for their potential health advantages. 3. The role of healthy fats. Delve into the importance of healthy fats and oils in the diet. Explain how they provide essential fatty acids, support brain health, and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. 4. Nutritional profiles. Discuss the different nutritional profiles of oils, such as olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and others. Highlight their unique flavor profiles and the cuisines in which they are traditionally used. 5. Cooking with healthy oils. Explore the art of cooking with healthy oils, emphasizing their various smoke points and suitability for frying, sautéing, baking, and dressing. Offer practical tips on using the right oil for different dishes. 6. Health benefits. Share insights into the potential health benefits associated with specific oils. Mention how olive oil is linked to heart health, coconut oil is praised for its medium-chain triglycerides, and other oils offer their own advantages. 7. Flavor and aromatics. Discuss the flavors and aromatics of healthy oils, from the grassy notes of extra virgin olive oil to the nutty tones of sesame oil. Encourage readers to experiment with these flavors in their cooking. 8. The long-term culinary journey. Conclude with the idea that exploring the world of healthy oils isn't just a fleeting culinary adventure. It's a lifelong commitment to enhancing the flavors of your dishes and supporting your well-being through the joys of cooking. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of healthy oils in cooking and nutrition but will also be motivated to expand their culinary horizons, experiment with diverse oils, and appreciate the rich flavors and potential health benefits these oils bring to their dishes. Exploring the world of healthy oils is a journey into a world of culinary and nutritional wisdom, where each drop of oil becomes an opportunity to infuse your meals with distinct flavors and nourishment. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey and discover the remarkable advantages that healthy oils offer for both your palate and well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.